If you're looking for the best Google Pixel, sit back and relax because we're about to discover together the top 5 Google Pixels. You can find the product links in the description below. In 5th place, we have the Google Pixel 6, which features the powerful Google Tensor G1 chip, exclusively designed for Pixels. The Pixel 6 offers an unparalleled Android experience, with the Google Tensor G1 chip combined with enhanced security from the Titan M2 chip, ensuring smooth and secure performance with increased protection of personal data. The Pixel 6's rapidly rechargeable battery intelligently adapts to your usage, prioritizing your favorite apps to provide up to a full day of battery life. In terms of photography, the Pixel 6 stands out with its advanced 50-megapixel rear camera. With two rear sensors of 50 and 12 megapixels and an 11.1 megapixel front sensor, the Pixel 6 excels in capturing details with an aperture of 1.85 for sharp photos even in low light. Equipped with optical image stabilization and 4K video recording, this device is an ideal choice for photography and videography enthusiasts. Beyond the camera, the Pixel 6 features a 6.4-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. The display benefits from a 90 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth visual experience. The octa-core Google Tensor G1 processor, accompanied by the Google GPU, ensures exceptional performance. However, despite its many strengths, the Pixel 6 has some drawbacks, such as the lack of a front flash, no microSD card slot limiting storage expansion, and a relatively high price compared to other smartphones on the market. In 4th place, we discover the Google Pixel 6a, a powerful option that integrates the Google Tensor processor, specially designed for Pixels. The Pixel 6a offers a smooth, fast, and secure Android experience thanks to its Titan M2 security chip. Designed with high-quality materials, the front is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, while the back is made of 3D thermoform composite material with an alloy touch frame, benefiting from a fingerprint-resistant coating and IP67 certification for water and dust resistance. The Pixel 6a's camera is a star, with a dual 64-megapixel and 13-megapixel rear camera, offering exceptional quality even in low light with anti-blur function. The 13-megapixel front camera, with a pixel width of 1.22 micrometers and an aperture of 2, captures sharp and detailed selfies. In terms of security, the Pixel 6a integrates an under-screen fingerprint sensor, enhancing data protection. The 6.1-inch OLED display of the Pixel 6a offers an immersive visual experience with a 90 Hz refresh rate, ideal for media enthusiasts. The adaptive battery, with a capacity of 4,385 mAh, ensures over 24 hours of autonomy, with the ability to extend this duration through 18-watt fast charging. However, it's important to note the absence of wireless charging, which may be a drawback for some users. Additionally, despite its generous 128GB storage capacity, the lack of a headphone jack may be a negative point for those who prefer wired headphones. In 3rd place, we highlight the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Powered by the brand new Google Tensor G1 processor, exclusive to Pixels, the Pixel 6 Pro offers unmatched power and intelligent features. Security is a priority with the Titan M2 chip and 5 years of security updates, ensuring robust data protection. The Pixel 6 Pro's camera is a technological marvel, with a triple 50, 48, and 12-megapixel rear camera system, enabling professional shots, including a 4x optical zoom. The 11.1 megapixel front sensor ensures detailed selfies. With a battery capacity of 5003 mAh, the Pixel 6 Pro ensures remarkable autonomy, and the 30-watt fast charging, combined with wireless charging, allows for quick device recharging. The Pixel 6 Pro's design combines elegance and durability with its Corning Gorilla Glass Victus back. The 6.7-inch OLED display offers a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a pixel density of 512 pixels per inch, providing an immersive visual experience. Despite these impressive features, the lack of a headphone jack may be a downside for some users, as well as the higher price compared to other flagship smartphones. Additionally, although the base storage capacity is generous at 128GB, the absence of the option to expand via a microSD card may be a limiting factor for some users. In 2nd place, we find the Google Pixel 7a, an engineering feat designed by Google. Powered by the powerful Google Tensor G2 processor, the Pixel 7a offers a smooth and responsive user experience while benefiting from the highest levels of security thanks to the certified Titan M2 chip. The Pixel 7a's design combines elegance and durability, with a back cover made of 3D thermoform composite material, reinforced by an alloy touch frame, and a fingerprint-resistant coating for impeccable aesthetics. The Pixel 7a's camera is a true star, equipped with a triple 64 and 13 megapixel rear camera, offering outstanding performance in various lighting conditions. The 13 megapixel front camera captures detailed selfies and has advanced features such as 4K 60 frames per second video recording. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate electronic image stabilization for sharp images and noise reduction for clear audio recordings. The 6.1-inch OLED display of the Pixel 7a offers a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, with a 90 Hz refresh rate, providing an immersive visual experience. The adaptive 4385 mAh battery ensures over 24 hours of autonomy, with the ability to extend this duration through 18-watt fast charging. However, it's important to note that the Pixel 7a does not include wireless charging, which could be a drawback for some users. Additionally, although the internal storage capacity is generous at 128 GB, the absence of a micro SD card slot may be considered a limitation for those who need additional storage space. In first place is the Google Pixel 7 Pro, a masterpiece of engineering combining performance, elegance, and innovation. Powered by the powerful Google Tensor G2 processor, the Pixel 7 Pro offers an uncompromising user experience, propelled by advanced artificial intelligence and cutting-edge security thanks to the Titan M2 chip. The Pixel 7 Pro's camera is a technological feat, equipped with a quadruple 50, 12, and 48 megapixel rear camera, offering exceptional flexibility to capture unique moments. The 10.8 megapixel front sensor captures detailed selfies with outstanding quality. Advanced features include high-resolution 30x zoom, 5x telephoto, and cinematic blur that create spectacular effects for photos and videos. The Pixel 7 Pro features a sophisticated design with its Corning Gorilla Glass Victus back and a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a pixel density of 512 pixels per inch, providing an exceptional visual experience. Despite these cutting-edge features, it's important to note that the Pixel 7 Pro does not have a headphone jack, which may be a downside for some users. Additionally, the higher price compared to other Pixel models can be a limiting factor for some consumers. Although the internal storage capacity is generous at 128 GB, the absence of a micro SD card slot could be perceived as a limitation for those who need additional storage space. So, which Pixel are you choosing? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed it. The product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.